Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Heraclitus e-learning. In last video, I have shown you the basic CSS using in web design. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use new tag div, div, and show you more CSS using, like CSS ID and CSS class. Here I'm going to show you how to use tag div and CSS ID and class. When people design the web page, always want his content of the page is in the center. How to do it? Let me show you using div, tag div, and CSS ID to do it. First of all, we should define the section of the content in the web page. So here I'm going to make the entire content of the page as the one section. So come to the toolbox, we find there is a tag div. So we just drag the div to put under the tag body. Then we cover the whole content of the page. Then cut past between the tag div. So now we have already defined the section, the whole content of the page as one section. So let's define the CSS ID. Click the Manage Style panel here. Then we click the New Style. So the ID should put this mark first. Then we put the name of the ID is page margin. And first of all, we define the position of the content. So the content, the width, we don't want to 100% occupy the screen. We just 80% of the width. 80%. And the height, we 90%. Then come to the box. We unclick margin. Then we can define in the right. We click auto. And the left, we click auto. Then we click apply. Then click OK. So this is CSS ID we just defined. You can see here, already have this one. Then we should apply this one into the section. First of all, we should click inside of the div. Then we right click of the ID, then click apply style. Press Ctrl, press save. Then we click the preview. So you can see there is, it's not fully occupied. And we can compare, we didn't use the CSS ID and tag div. So you can see this. But I'm not happy with the font of the content. I want to customize the font in the content. How to do it? We will use the CSS class. Click the new style. The class normally will be start with a dot, so this dot. So I will use the name of font. Then the color, I want to use the gray. This is the gray color. And the font type, font family, I don't like the default font type. I prefer this one. And then we click apply. Then we click OK. So here we have a two. One is ID, one is class. The ID, we define the layout. The font, we define the type of the word, color of the font. But I want to use both of them, so we need to combine them. How to do it? So we need to define the new. Click the new style, and here we just use the name is a font. And here this font we have already defined. And then we put the new ID. We just defined ID here is page margin. Same as this. Then if I use this name, it will combine the both of the feature. Click apply, click OK. So here, come to the ID here, I will remove this one and replace by this. So we need to apply this new style which combine the ID and the class. So click this div here, then we right click, apply style. And Control save. Then we will see, and it's not obvious, so we just click the font and modify the style here, and come to the font style. We want to use the italic, then we apply, then OK. also we can use the bold, modify the style and the font weight, use the bold, then apply, then OK. So it's more. So now we have already learned how to use the ID, how to use the CSS class, and how to use the combined ID and the class in the tag div. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please also visit my other tutorial about Microsoft Expression Web4 learning. See you next time.